Hey guys, it's such a beautiful day today. It rains slightly a little bit, but the weather is just fantastic. It's about 25, 26 degrees, and it's a really great day, and it's a perfect day to cook something for lunch. And right now, what I got right here is a very simple and easy dish, and I promise you, everybody can cook this. And whenever you come here to Avila and go in for a holiday, you can just buy the food in the supermarket. That's what we did. We went to Grand Lucky and we buy some of the raw materials in here. And I got the shrimp, I got the salmon in here, fresh shrimp, fresh salmon, and fresh parsley, beautiful. And also the lemons in here and garlic butter. That's all the ingredients you have. And I also have this sweet Alexandria wine. It's a sweet wine, and I really love this because it's a perfect match for the shrimp itself. We're gonna cook the shrimp with this. You can use a dry wine as well, but this one is the perfect one for me because it has a sweetness taste in it, and it goes perfectly if you blend it with the shrimp. So the flavors everything just come out, and it's just gonna be absolutely delicious. We have a kitchen utensils in here, so they provide it for you, so you don't have to bring your own, and also my favorite kitchen knife right here. So let's do it. Let's cook. We're gonna cook the shrimp first. So you don't have to open up the shrimp. I mean, the head's already gone, and you're just gonna keep the tail, so you don't have to open it up. Put the olive oil in. What goes first is a prawn. The prawn goes first. And the garlic goes second. It's really important that the garlic goes second because you don't want the garlic to be burned. And the white wine goes inside. Probably about a quarter cup of white wine. Changing color. The prawn's turning to be orange, a little bit orangey. Then you put the wine in. And by reducing, it will make it more flavorful. Just put the butter in there. So here we keep on stirring with a medium heat and low heat. We want that to reduce, and we want it to have that beautiful smell, and it goes inside the pores of the shrimp. Get some pepper, and it's important that you put salt and season it well.
So the idea is to keep on reducing so the liquid in the pan blend and become thicker.
Now we're gonna cut some lemons. And then we're gonna squeeze some lemon in there. Squeeze all the lemon juice right there. So all the flavors just right there. The buttery from the butter, and the lemon, the sourness, and the saltiness from the salt and the pepper. And of course the garlicky taste in there. So we want it to have a more rich flavor in there and combining the ingredients all together. And remember, just keep on stirring with a medium to low heat. We don't want it to be overcooked because you can't overcook a shrimp. We're gonna get the parsley. So half of it is for the shrimp. So we'll put it right here.
Mix the parsley all together until it creates that beautiful smell of herbs in the dish.
Turn down the heat. Just gonna mix it up and make sure that it's a little bit thick so it's cooked perfectly.
Now it's time for me to give it a try.
That is perfectly cooked. It's absolutely delicious.
So now it's time to cook the garlic butter salmon. Chopped and sliced 2 cloves of garlic, a touch of olive oil, and make sure your pan is hot.
So garlic goes in first. Saute it finely.
I slice the salmon to 2 parts in here as I'm gonna make 2 portions.
It's perfect. Always put the backside first for the salmon. And let it cook. Butter goes in.
You can put 2 small butter for 1 portion of salmon.
And don't forget to flip it over. Pepper. Just turn it around again. And the pepper and the salt. And you baste it again. It's just perfect. That is the color that you want for the salmon, just like that. That is the perfect color for me.
And for the final touch, you can put the chopped parsley on top.
That's really great. Just baste it all over and let it rest for about 5 minutes.
And for the finishing touch, sliced a lemon and squeeze all over the salmon to give that perfect dish. Since I'm making it for 2, I will use the same method to cook the other salmon with the same consistency and delicious flavor. Now it's plating time. Let's put the salmon on top of an empty plate. Pour that juice on top of the salmon to make it more flavorful and delicious. Get that beautiful shrimp out from the pan and place it gently beside the delicious salmon. Can't get enough of the juice? Pour it more on the shrimp to lift that extra flavor. This home-cooked meal would be the best way for me to enjoy my vacation in the villa by not ordering out. And I'll bet you it would give a special moment for you and your family to enjoy the rest of your holiday.